We're recording now.
Okay. Hello, everyone.
We're going to be taking care of bees today.
Yeah. But first, I have to start the smoker, which means I'm going to use up all of my carbon credits for the whole year. Beekeeping is not an earth-friendly hobby.
You realize you're probably going to get sentenced to a trash recycling center.
Yeah. You mean bean sprouts and granola, is that what you said?
Yes. Now, are these your typical Colorado honeybees, or are these some sort of prehistoric honeybees?
What are you talking about?
Well, you know, we all, of course, know about Africanized bees, but there's been reports that genetic engineering has unleashed species that existed 50 million years ago.
You're full of it. Okay. Huh. I think there's a lot of moisture in the air today or something. The smoker's not starting working very efficiently here.
This thing won't let me go to 18x zoom. In this
Really?
In this mode, yeah.
Huh. Will it let you zoom at all?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Oh, that's good.
Not sure why that would matter that I'm in video mode, but
Have you tried twisting the dial both ways?
yes, I have.
Ah! This is annoying. Not starting. The mountain messenger.
Well, soon it will be
This is the primary tool for our mountain messenger, which really serves no other functional purpose. Except to waste paper by telling us that we shouldn't be wasting paper.
Yes, our canyon residents at work.
Huh?
Our canyon residents at work.
Yep. Come on, burn, baby.
It seems to be working. I'm getting ill.
It's smoldering, but it's not. I want it to burn.
Seems to be burning.
I'll turn that